it doesn't give you an assurance of safety. At Pretoria, or skydive, not diving. I'm nervous, that's why I can't really, pronounce things right. I don't know, but yeah, I'm here. It's my birthday weekend. As a present to self, I want to do something extreme, so I decided to come to skydiving. I do love to think twice about it. I was just like, you know what, why not do something different? And here I am, like something near death experience. The moment I read the TNCs and I saw you might die, I was like, yes. Yeah, anyway, the question is, am I scared? I don't know. I think I am. Am I shaking? Not yet. I think maybe when you're 5,000 feet I'll start shaking. I really don't know. I really hope I don't pee on myself. But the good thing is I'm doing this. I remember when I was doing the swing at Moses Mabhida, I was so shaking, like shaking. And then when I was supposed to release my arms and just fly, things went wrong. The rope that was supposed to support me was really way too tight on my pulse. Yeah, and I have to save them to stay alive. But yeah, and I ended up jumping terribly. It was fun, but yeah. So I hope nothing goes wrong with this. I hope I don't really freeze and like just do like this. I hope I have to release. I will release my arms and just let it flow, and then hope that everything goes right. Yeah. I don't know if I should be scared. Do you think I should be scared? Yeah. She said no, but yeah, we're doing this. Standing up a bit high.
What to do with your hands, just put them back on your harness like that. From there your tandem master will talk to you, because it's then he's just here behind you. He's going to get you more comfortable, he's going to look for this, get you comfortable, loosen some things. Then when he's ready, you guys are going to exercise the landing. Right, up there, to make sure you can see that you can do what you need to do for landing. Okay. All you need to do for landing are your legs up. Now remember, you are two people attached to each other, you cannot run. So you guys land like you're sliding down a water slide. For that you need to pick your legs up. Right, so up there he's going to say legs up, and you go up and up. And you hold it there so that he makes like he's landing. Then he's happy that you can land, legs up. Then you're going to play with the parachute. And when you land he's going to say legs up, pick it up, slide in for landing, what was your arm? Easy enough.
Yeah, sounds
ready
easy.
for this?
Sounds easy. Yeah.
Like a man.
Welcome to Skydive Pretoria. How are you today?
I'm good.
Awesome, man. So we are jumping out of a perfectly good airplane today. How do you feel about that?
I feel so excited.
Yeah?
Scared, but at the same time, but yeah.
Awesome. Do you have some butterflies? Do you have some butterflies?
Not yet, but yes, good.
Oh, well, don't worry. They always stay in the plane when we leave, eh?
Really? Okay.
Awesome, man. And we're going to fly up to 11,000 feet
11,000 feet.
and have some fun, eh?
Okay.
Awesome, buddy. manual. Yeah, bro. How was that for us?
Keeping ourselves.
Welcome to the ground, eh? Yeah, buddy.
Climb the right plane. That's Tanner McBillard, Tanner McBillum, Aurelian, Cedric, Benji Pants, Kevin, and Wom Dion. First call.
Spread your legs for me a little bit, sorry. Well done, man. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, I did.
Cool.
Well done. Wow, okay, fine. I'm back. You might have seen that I looked like a bit crazy. Everything in me was just like. So now I've come down. I think it's about 20 minutes since I landed. Yeah, 20 minutes or so. But yeah, it's been fun. Freaking fun. Something that I will do again, but not this year, for sure. I'd rather take a moment and relax and yeah. But it has been amazing. I had fun.